You think you know what a modern factory rifle is capable of? You have never seen this level of absolute precision. Most guys are still dragging around heavy, outdated actions with triggers that feel like dragging a cinder block through the mud. And they wonder why they completely pull their shots when a massive bull steps out at 400 yards. Here is the deal. The engineers in Finland have quietly gutted the competition for the 2026 season. Tikka is churning out off-the-shelf platforms that will completely embarrass your buddy's overpriced Safe Queen. Listen, we are tearing into the top 5 Tikka rigs that are owning the backcountry right now. These are the Cold Hammer forged tack drivers delivering that famously glassy 70-degree bolt throw. Zero break-in required. Honestly, if you are shelling out $3,000 on a custom build before looking at these 5, you're just burning your own cash. Starting off at rank 5, we are looking at the Tikka T3x Compact Tactical Rifle, or CTR. Now, do not let the tactical name fool you, because this rig is an absolute powerhouse for stationary hunting from a box blind or setting up on a vast agricultural field. Hitting the scales between 7.9 and 8.8 pounds empty, it is definitely a heavy hitter. It eats 6.5 Creedmoor and 308 Winchester for breakfast, making it a highly versatile tool for maximizing terminal performance. Under the hood, this rifle uses a semi-heavy barrel contour that fundamentally acts as a massive thermal sink. Unlike ultra-thin sporter barrels that heat up and severely shift your point of impact after just a few rounds, this heavy steel profile absorbs the heat to maintain absolute harmonic consistency. It keeps your zero perfectly locked in when you are laying down high-volume fire on a sounder of feral hogs. Look, I have to be honest here. Lugging a nearly 9-pound bear rifle through high alpine terrain is going to absolutely wreck your shoulders and back. That extreme weight penalty is a complete deal breaker if you are trying to stay highly mobile in the steep backcountry. But from a static, supported position, that extra mass means the recoil pushes back like a gentle, steady wave rather than a sharp punch. Pulling the single stage trigger feels incredible. It snaps like a frozen glass rod, giving you total confidence before you send a heavy round downrange. Stepping up to the firing line, you get a bomb-proof, 10-round double-stack steel magazine that ensures perfectly reliable feeding when you need follow-up shots fast. This premium setup sets you back right around $1,179 on the entry end. This hybrid is a serious workhorse. But wait until you see the absolute monster sitting at number 1. Now we get serious with the Tikka T3x Light Veil series. Offered in both alpine and wideland camo patterns, this rig is purpose-built for absolute visual concealment in extreme environments. Weighing in between 6.4 and 7.1 pounds, it is light enough to haul up a mountain, but heavy enough to hold steady. It slings 300 Winchester Magnum downrange with absolute authority. Looking at the stock, you have to appreciate the modular pistol grip interface. This mechanism allows you to physically swap the grip module by removing a single retention bolt to achieve a steeper, more vertical angle. Why does that matter? A steeper grip forces your hand into a perfectly straight rearward trigger pull. That setup isolates the index finger and completely eliminates the sympathetic muscle movement that ruins your groups out past 500 yards. Honestly, the recoil on this Magnum feels like a solid, blunt shove to the chest. Firm, but completely manageable thanks to the factory radial muzzle brake. Squeezing the trigger is like snapping off a crisp icicle. Absolutely zero creep, just a clean, sudden drop. I know the traditional Woodstock purists will hate this space-age look, So sound off below if you trust this element-proof rig for your late-season hunts. But here is the truth. It is going to drain your wallet hard. The damage to your bank account is right around $1,489. You are essentially paying a massive premium just for the advanced Cerakote surface treatment and camouflage dip compared to the standard base models. It feeds from a standard 3 or 4 round flush magazine, which gets the job done in the timber. Even so, for that amount of cash, some guys expect a bit more magazine capacity. Still, if you cannot afford equipment failure in the driving snow, this is the ticket. Entering the elite tier, we have the Tikka T3x Lite Roughtech. This all-weather workhorse is engineered for the days when conditions get absolutely miserable in the backcountry. Weighing right between 6.4 and 7.1 pounds, it perfectly balances portability with enough mass to make a steady shot. Under the hood, it feeds on 7mm Remington Magnum and features barrel options running from 20 up to 24.4 inches. Moving to the rear of the rig, this setup utilizes a specialized high-density foam insert injected directly into the interior of the hollow stock. Why is that critical? Instead of just giving you a cheap plastic shell, that acoustic dampening completely kills the hollow, resonant thud that happens when your rifle accidentally smacks into dry timber or a rock. That dead silence gives you a massive stealth advantage when you are stalking heavily pressured targets in thick brush. Squeezing that single-stage trigger feels totally distinct. It gives way like a dry pine needle snapping under a heavy boot. Thanks to the factory radial ported muzzle brake, the blast is tamed, making the recoil kick feel like a firm shove from a stubborn tractor clutch. Look, here is the real annoyance. The proprietary surface texture gives you a sandpaper grip that will never slip in the freezing rain, but it is so incredibly aggressive that it will actively chew the finish right off your expensive leather rifle sling after a few days of hard carry. Street price is sitting roughly at $1,129 for the base model. You also get a deeply fluted bolt body and an oversized tactical knob, which gives you massive mechanical leverage when your hands are completely numb from the sub-zero cold. If you need one utility tool that survives high plains heat and frozen late-season camps, this is your primary option. Closer to the crown, we have the absolute king of the high alpine ascents, the Tikka T3x Superlite Gen 2, weighing in at an incredibly airy 6.0 to 6.3 pounds empty. This rig is a godsend when you are scaling vertical rock faces. It spits 30-06 or 6.5 Creedmoor downrange with extreme precision, stripping away every ounce of extra mass. It never compromises that legendary locked-up action. Looking at the muzzle, the Gen 2 brings a massive upgrade with factory 5/8 by 24, threading on a deeply fluted, ultra-thin stainless steel barrel. Why is that a big deal? Attempting to thread an ultra-thin sporter profile barrel later often requires a gunsmith to perform a barrel setback to find enough meat on the steel, which alters your chamber and costs a massive amount of cash. Having it cut straight from the factory means your barrel harmonics are untouched and you are instantly ready to direct thread a titanium sound suppressor. But listen, there is a brutal trade-off here. Because the rifle is so remarkably light and the factory rubber butt pad is incredibly stiff, it transfers a violent amount of kinetic energy straight into your shoulder pocket. If you are running a heavy Magnum cartridge, the recoil kicks like a startled draft horse and will induce a severe flinch if you are not completely focused. Upgrading to a custom 3D printed backstop pad or a limb saver is not a suggestion. It is a mandatory fix to stop the shoulder trauma. Once you tame that kick, squeezing the trigger feels incredible. It snaps perfectly like a dry twig underfoot. The bolt throws with that signature glassy feel, letting you cycle fast in freezing winds. You are dropping right around $750 to $949 for this bare platform. It is the ultimate foundation for a featherweight mountain build. Stepping up to the absolute pinnacle of factory production, we have the Tikka T3x Ace Game, hitting the scales right between 9.3 and 9.5 pounds unloaded. It is a heavy rig built for open country spot and stalk missions. It sends 6.5 Creedmoor and 7mm PRC downrange with match-grade accuracy. Looking at the aluminum chassis, this platform features a full-length Arca Swiss rail seamlessly integrated directly into the forend. Why does that matter? Instead of bolting on aftermarket adapters that can work loose under heavy recoil, this integrated rail lets you slide the entire rifle back and forth on a tripod head to find the exact center of gravity, giving you rock-solid stability for extreme distance terminal performance. Listen, this is exactly why the Ace Game takes the throne. It gives you the weatherproof reliability and precision of the No. 4 Veil series, but with the added mass of an aluminum chassis that soaks up magnum recoil vastly better than the featherweight No. 2 Superlite Gen 2. Squeezing the adjustable single-stage trigger is like snapping a high-tension wire. It breaks with zero hesitation. Because of that rigid aluminum backbone, the recoil pushes back like a heavy oak door, a slow, manageable pressure instead of a brutal slap. You can easily spot your own bullet impacts through your glass. Expect to shell out roughly $1,451 to $1,849 for this masterpiece. It runs a highly reliable 5-round detachable magazine, giving you everything you need to dominate the field. There you have it. Choosing the right rifle comes down to knowing exactly what environment you plan to operate in. Tikka has absolutely cornered the premium market on out-of-the-box precision this year. Whether you are dropping heavy loads of copper on a distant ridge or pushing through dense brush, these rigs will consistently perform when it counts. Stop wasting your hard-earned cash on internet hype and get a tool that actually works under pressure. If you want the raw truth without the fluff, lock it in right here.